Hello everyone. So here is the next question. Question number 127. In India, the organization responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public use is option number first Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee or GEAC, option second Research Committee on Genetic Manipulation or RCGM, option number third Council for Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, option number four Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR. So the correct option is option number first. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee or GEAC is the organization which is responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public use. As Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, which was established under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climatic Change, approves the introduction of genetically modified organisms for public use due to various safety concerns. So the correct option is option number first. Here is the answer. Option number first, GEAC. Okay. Thank you.